Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Monday, January 23rd, 2023. We're going to have continued cold conditions with some patchy fog this morning across the Snake River Plain, some of the eastern mountain valleys as well. Looking at the key points again, patchy fog, freezing fog, and very cold conditions. Under some of the extensive low clouds we have this morning, you could see some snow flurries. But again, no significant precipitation today. And the general trend is we have a high pressure ridge off the Pacific coast and basically northerly flow east of that, bringing in very cold Canadian air. And it's going to continue to do that for quite a while, below normal temperatures through the week. Only very light snow for the most part in the mountains. There is the potential. Some of the models are showing wetter conditions Friday through Sunday, but again, high uncertainty as we get much later into the week. Looking at the satellite imagery, I see this blue shading here is extensive low cloud cover and some patchy fog, generally extending from the Treasure Valley through the Magic Valley and now up into the Snake River Plain. Mainly low clouds with this, not extensive fog, but there are patchy areas of fog where visibility might be around a mile or even less in some very isolated locations this morning. Looking at a larger imagery out in the Pacific Ocean, you see kind of some of the higher clouds dropping south, indicating the northerly flows. We get into southern Alberta, into Idaho. And again, very little high cloud cover. It's mostly low clouds, which are going to be around today. Weather risk outlook again, some patchy fog, many areas, maybe some patchy dense fog in the eastern highlands, where you might get some lower visibilities. And again, the trend of the low stratus and fog will continue Tuesday. Some light snow as well. The snow today will be in the eastern highlands, and again, very light. And light snow again tomorrow, mainly in the southern and eastern mountains. And this trend continues Wednesday. Again, very light snow is expected. And again, there's the potential Friday. I did put some widespread light snow. Again, there is the potential it could get wetter, but again, I don't think we're going to see significant impacts, only very minor at the most, I think, through this week. As I said, very cold, high temperatures today. You can see teens and 20s everywhere. I don't think anyone's going to see freezing today. Overnight lows tomorrow morning, you can see some below, some negative single-digit readings as you get into Stanley, towards the Arco Desert, a lot of single digits, lower teens. And again, some of the lows are going to be elevated due to the low cloud cover. Again, Tuesday, again, very cold, teens and 20s across the whole region. Low temperatures Wednesday morning, again, single digits above and below zero to the middle teens as you get into the Magic Valley. And here are some of the snowfall amounts. As I said, very, very light. Eastern Highlands, Upper Snake Highlands, again, less than an inch is expected today. Some of the eastern mountains. Tuesday, maybe a little bit heavier. Could see some 1 or 2 inch amounts possibly. But again, most areas below an inch. As we get into Wednesday again, very light snow showers mainly across the eastern mountains. And here's a very long outlook. High temperatures on Sunday. Again, just doing this to indicate it's going to stay cold for several days. Well below normal temperatures. Again, highs only in the teens and 20s across the whole region. And I'll give you a look at the 8 to 14 day. Getting into the first week of February. And again, the recent trends are going to continue. A much better chance of below normal temperatures across Idaho and the entire west into the Midwest. One of the changes are, though, it's showing a much better chance of above normal precipitation. So as we get into very late January, early February, maybe we could be looking at some more snow based on the current 1 to 2 week outlook. So summarizing, again, some patchy fog today, a lot of low stratus clouds, very cold. Again, some light snow flurries is about all we're going to see today. And the general trend for much of the week is high pressure ridge off the Pacific coast. Very deep northerly flow and some weak Canadian systems will move through the week. But again, only producing very light snow as they're coming from Canada. They're very dry systems. Below normal temperatures through the week, and possibly maybe by Friday into the weekend, we could see some wetter conditions based on some of the operational models. That will conclude our briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us 24 hours a day at the number listed at the bottom of this slide, or visit our website, also listed. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.